Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play a coding games puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled Mayan Calculations by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here or you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells, we all know now that the world did not end on December 2012, but it's true that it's easy to misread Mayan calculation, because their numeral system is so complicated. Help us find a date of the next apocalypse, deciphering the message from a time capsule. This puzzle teaches you string manipulation, split, concatenation, conversion, and array arithmetics. To win this game, I need to collect an ABC of the symbols of a given dimension. In my example, the dimension is 20 symbols, so my ABC is following. The next step is to convert each symbol from ABC to a number. I need that for arithmetic operations. Then I apply arithmetic operation to obtain a number using a dictionary data structure. Let's dive into the code. Read the initial constraints and the dictionary of Mayan symbols. Collect an ABC of the Mayan symbols. Create a function converting a symbol by radix 20 to Mayan representation. Then create an inverse function. Read two initial symbols. Create a dictionary of arithmetics operations. Perform an operation and get the result. Let's test. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at Skynet and graph in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive